Yo, what's up guys? Minecraft Pikachu back at it again. Today I'll be playing some more Bed Wars, but my left key, my left mouse button, and my right button are swapped. According to YouTube statistics, only a small percentage of you guys are actually subscribed. So if you get your chance, please like and sub. It's totally free and you can always undo it. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, we're on Castle. Okay guys, you can start talking now. I don't know why. That was just weird. What? Bruh, chill. Guys, I have a classmate that's just apparently raging. He loves to rage. No! Come on. I just died. I just died because I was trying to place a block and it didn't place and then I died. Dun, 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 dun. The sad life of a Minecraft player. No. You already know my name.
Are you playing with your classmate?
Oof.
He's gonna have a fireball.
No! Why did I place that? No.
Don't do that, you're just making fun of it. Unless you go. Oh yeah, you do know that, but don't. He's gonna go for your bed. Just jump down and kill him. How did he get here?
Yo, this game is so hard. This game is... No, but it's hard because my mouse buttons are swapped. My mouse buttons are swapped. That's why it's so hard. Should I side rush it? No, I'm gonna go to mid. I'm gonna go with the M's. Man, I actually just thought someone was up there. I don't think so. I have no idea, to tell the truth. What are you playing? I took the gen, man. You have nothing on me.
Are you fighting with him?
No, not yet. I'm not playing with them yet.
Drink some potion.
No!
Ebro!
What? Why did my April work?
Because you were right clicking. You were punching.
No, but then I clicked it. And my April fell. Gogi. Like, hello, Gogi. Ooh, sheesh. Okay, I can buy permanent iron now. Wait, is it Puni here? Oh, that's Ishan. You sort of sound like him, you know? Yeah. I'm playing Minecraft right now, bedwars. Oh my god! Click that. Oh my god! I'm so good, I'm so good, I'm so good, I'm so good, I'm so good.
Stop building up. You're running too high.
Who's still alive? Oh, Red's still alive. Should I side rush it? Do I side rush? I have no idea. I don't think I side rush. No, I don't side rush. No! I just died. I just died so badly. I just died so dumb. Oh my god, me and him are... Okay, sussy baka. Oh, sup, Puni? Yo. Yo. Yeah, what? An optical mouse. I have no idea. What? Yeah, he has a glorious. What? No way. Emma's like living next to me. No way. That's not possible. I see him. He's right there.
With the launch.
Are you playing with me? Wait, no way. Ishan, you're playing with me right now? Oh yeah, he has my bed. It's a trade. We're trading beds. Wait, no way.
There was a ladder clutch. Perfect.
No. Yo! 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 Oh yo, we're playing rally. Yo, okay. Okay, so wait, first of all, Ishan, guess what? So, you know the two keys on the mouse, the two buttons on the mouse? I swapped them. Why'd you leave? Okay, then join a new game. I'll naturally be with you. swap. My two mouse buttons are swapped. Wait, you have the you said you had the glorious. You said you had the glorious. Okay, stay until 13. Wait, Ishan, stay until 13 iron, okay? And then when you stay. Okay, give me it. No, wait, what are you doing? Ishan! Don't side rush. This is not a side rush map. I know, yeah. Then come quick. Help. Help, we need, hurry up, quick, they're coming. I need help ASAP. Quick, mine it, I'll go kill them. Mine it.
So A is 8 out of 10. That's A. I got 10 out of 10. I got 8 plus.
No, I have tools. I'm good at PvP. Fine, you get TNT. Hacker! Oh my god, hacker. Ishan, we have a hacker. Red is a hacker. That guy that just killed me is a hacker. He pushed me once he was in the void. Okay, meanwhile you go there. I'll go. No! I got one of them though. Oh, I have an idea. All of them? And we're playing half Minecraft, half Roblox. This is so weird. Why we're playing like hackers! Hackers! They're hackers! Watch out! Go quick! He died. Go, 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 go. Guys, should I make this video? I play with my old classmate. Oh, come on, I was hitting him. This hacker. Hacker. We have a hacker. And this hacker. Okay, good. He died. No. The pigeon, no, you took it. You took it. I don't have anything. Ishan, I don't have anything now. We need to run. Nah. No. Okay, yeah, sure. I'm gonna join another meet. Bye, guys. Oh wait. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and